Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your voice echo on CapCut PC. So you can either record yourself saying something. I already have an audio of me saying something. Testing one. Oh, that's loud. So select it and you're going to just go to the voice changer section. There's voice filters, voice characters, and singing voices. Just go to the voice filters and find one that's like echo. So maybe like this Radiant Echo one. Testing 1, 2, 3. And you can adjust the strength here. That was really loud still. But there's a free one which is just echo, and it's this one. Testing 1, 2, 3. And that is how you can make your voice echo on CapCut PC. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.